Yeah, to all the people that are lonely, man. Yeah. Chính xa Christmas từng màu trường, nghe plan trai yang này rỡ ớt lương, từng thời hay càng tới to làm dần, hàng giá từng ngàn dòng, lặng snow ru bay cả sang, nghe plan yang này đường ngọt ngào tới. They khắp hơi, they thấu mơn tới, lại khắp dòng play tê, vì bàn choang, lại khắp này, bàn chân anh, dòng to còn đời, đời hay dần càng thêm hoa na 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 yeah Don't wanna be alone this Christmas. What can I do to make you come here with me and make my day? I don't call this Christmas, only you could be here and spend time with me. I know that you're far away, but yo, we still can talk, we still can be together. Let's talk on the phone, Facebook or Yahoo. It's up to you, it's a sunny flip, it's a special day. And I know it's you too, with you far away from me, it's just not fair at all. As the air said, now listen to my lyric, listen to the word as I confess to you. It's not a lie that I tell you that being in love with you, that's what I want. Holding your hand, touching your hair, mostly everything about you that I wanna be with, that I wanna share my life with. I know I talk too much sometimes, but hear me out just for the day. And tonight let's celebrate Christmas like we never did before. So I pray that nobody gonna miss anything. Let's make this year better than any year, so there won't be no tear. Please, my dear. Yeah. Na na na. Xa Christmas từng màu trường, nghe plan trai yang này rỡ ớt lương, từng thời hay càng tới to làm dần, hàng giá từng ngàn dòng, lặng snow ru bay cả sang, nghe plan yang này đường ngọt ngào tới. They khắp hơi, they thấu mơn tới, lại khắp dòng play tê, vì bàn choang, lại khắp này, bàn chân anh, dòng to còn đời, rải
It was good, everybody. It's your boy Lil Kenni, aka MC2K. With boys, I guess you already know me. J boys, the other side. We are the 4Js. I hope you guys had a good time watching our new music video. Yeah, so as you know that these are the two cameramen. So, what do you want to say, man?
I hope y'all like this song though. It was pretty cool out there.
Yeah, it was. So, so if the music video is not good at all, I mean, I guess you can blame two of this guy, man.
Come on, man.
Good. Yeah,
Thanks,
man.
there.
So, the songs is basically about like a person who lonely during the Christmas times. The song is composed by him. So I didn't really do anything on the beat, just rap. That's all. So what do you want to say now?
Merry Christmas
Yeah. I guess yeah. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, man.
to everybody.
Yeah. This song's I like to dedicate it to
All more young people.
yeah, on all the modern young people. Duk pacara me,
Vietnam.
Vietnam, Finland, Canada, everybody, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I hope you guys, I mean
Say
like,
something, man.
yeah.
Em tới chân không?
Yeah, saya lah.
Okay. Tôi hết hả?
Bab nhé nó mi hẹp lại dẻo là giờ cái hẹp lại dẻo tập làng lại mi như mi thâu.
Không sao.
Yeah.
Lâu.
That's good though.
Yo, yeah. So I hope 2011 is gonna come. It's gonna be like a great year for us and for us too. And we try our best to make the new songs and
Yeah.
to
Hopefully.
y'all and help our people, our mother young people, man. You know.
Support us.
Yeah. Make sure to support us too, man. Your boy Lil Kenni.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I guess I'll see you guys later.
Alright.
Peace.
Say
Salute.
something.